Okay. Replacing the turn signal four-way flasher relay. And as you can see, I've already pulled off the dash covers. It's pretty easy. Just pull it straight out from right here, and be careful of your four-way switch right here. Mine's already broken, so previous owner. And sliding it out from right here. Gonna have to put the gear down, put the key in, get that off. Below, pull it straight out. Only after you've taken out these two bottom bolts. There's one right here, I believe it's a 7, and there's one right here, it's a 7mm as well. Once you got those out, you'll pull straight out from right here. I pulled it in one pull. And down here, right here, it's pretty hard to see. Right down under here, right behind the fuse box. Let's see. So there's a fuse box. Right behind it is where these go. And I may have lost them. Okay, I found it. These are not that cheap, by the way. This is not an OEM. It's a Navita.